A triple crochet is also known as a treble crochet. And to start, you will yarn over 2 times before sticking your hook into the next hole. It will then show you have a total of 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your hook through the first 2 loops. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. So you have 3 loops left. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. So you're left with 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over once more and pull through those 2 loops. So you're left with 1 loop on the hook. And that is a triple crochet.